Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Last week we planned to have a short picnic, so thought of visiting the Chunchi Falls and Sangama. These two are the nature scenic places. Best time to visit Chunchi Falls is from August to February when there is enough water in the Arakavathi river. People who are staying near Bangalore, they can have the best weekend for the refreshment. It's just 2 hours drive away from the Bangalore. Hey guys, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe and support us. The waterfall was so beautiful, so we spent some time near Chunchi Falls. Look at my favs. Later we have visited the Sangama. Sangama is a place where two rivers Arakavathi and Kaveri merges. It's a very beautiful place. We spent a good amount of time there. We can get food from home, have it with the family members near the river bank. That's it for today's video guys. Please do subscribe and support us. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.